Everyone, what's going on? Nathan343 here, and I have got a awesome product review for us snowplow guys. So these are the original snowplow lights that Meyer first came out with. They're Meyer branded, and they got this 4x6 halogen insert thing. They're pretty cool, I guess. We're about to fix them. Alright, so we have 4x6 LED plug and play inserts. We're going to take this junky old plug out. You know what? This is not going to work. We got different plug adapters. Darn it. Well, that sucks. Alright guys, we're back, different day, and we got the fix. So this is the harness that the light actually has inside of it. Okay, this is the harness you need to be able to work these lights. So we're basically going to go in here and cut this one out and wire this one in. Okay? Okay. First thing we got to do is pull screws out. Undo your turn signal bulb. That comes out. The old headlight comes out. Just want to wiggle the harness back here. That's what comes out. It's got a little rubber thing that pops off of it. These do have little rubber things on them. The new ones, or the new lights, have little deals on them already, so you can take these out. The other one actually didn't even have but 2 in it. So these are just backing plates to help keep the light from moving, but the light's more wider than the one that's in there, so it doesn't need them. So note to self, if you buy these, they're going to have this little wire harness on them, and this one won't work. So the ground is the one that needs to be different. Everything else is perfect but this ground. So we ordered a little wire set that will allow it not to plug in on that end, to plug in right there. So you just cut the wires. So right now the black and the red are going to be black and red on here, and the green goes to the yellow. So that's how we're going to do it. Zach's the guy with the wiring, so I'm going to let him do that. Alright, testing of the second light. When you got dirt or something on it. Oh yeah. Kind of a spot, but it also has flood on the sides. So that's your dims, your brights, dims, brights. All seem to be working. So, now what you want to do is, I think it's a good idea. We're going to go ahead and take the tape here. Just so these plugs don't come loose from vibration, we're going to tape them up. We're going to have Zach hold this. I'm going to put the turn signal bulb, which will eventually be upgrading to LED. It's always a good thing. Take your sleeve, a clean sleeve, and wipe your turn signal bulb, get the dirt. Makes it a little brighter. Put that back in. Turn it till it locks. Take this. The SAE DOT is the top part of the light. You'll see that engraved. It just sits flush in there. It's got a little lip. Don't drop it. So if there's plenty of room to tuck all these wires in here, just kind of get them in there. screw holes and the clips on this with the clips on here. And then you'll hear it snap. We're gonna start putting screws back in. Now when you put the screws back in, there is a seal in here. You want to do like you do on a tire. No fire will be needed for this installation. There you go. Now we'll have to adjust them tonight. I know they were adjusted for the halogens. LEDs are going to be a little different. Definitely. So now you have just taken this and converted it to LED. Less power draw, which is what you want with a pump, less battery draw. Get some LEDs and put in these, will be great. Now I'm thinking about getting a set of these for mine. I'll have to manually wire them to a switch box, unless I want to completely rewire my headlight systems I have now. So yeah, very nice, they fit perfectly. And I like them, they're clear. They do warm up a little bit. Test them out. We'll get some video of them and what they look like at night, and we'll be right back. I don't know if you can tell with the sunlight, but those are the dims, which is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs. They look pretty good. I think they look really good. Those are the brights, so you get all of them. Which there's 1, 2, 3, 5, there's 15, 16 LEDs in there. And they're the Creed LEDs, so. What do you think?
Shiny.
What are your thoughts? He likes them. Alright, well, we're gonna wait till it gets dark. And it'll be dark, right? Alright. And then just like that, it's night. So we're gonna go out here on this deserted country road. See how these do. Get out of the street light so you can kind of see how much light to actually put out. Could go up just a little bit, but they're not too bad. There's the brights. So yeah, they're pretty bright, and you could see all the ways up there. They do need to come up just a little bit because they're hitting the tops of the plow. So it could come up a little bit. A lot brighter than what you had, don't you think?
Yep.
Bad at all. Can you see me now? So Zach likes them. I think they're really cool. I don't know if I'm gonna get some for mine, we'll see. So yeah, Zach likes them. I think they're pretty cool. We'll see how they hold up. Like I said, the ones I want, I mean, I could go with those, but the ones I want are like $500, and I think they're really cool. You can see the top row there and the bottom one lights up, and they all light up. So really cool. Link in the description, go check them out. Now we just need some snow. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.